Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mimi, not Mimi, it's Mimi, and today I'm back with another video. And for today's video, I'll be showing y'all how to dye y'all black jeans back black. Well, y'all faded black jeans back black. So you'll need some boiling water, a pot of boiling water, but we just gonna be using this water because this water get really hot. Like it'll smoke like it's boiling. So I'm just gonna use that water, but if not, if your water don't get like hot, then just use just boil a pot of water. But you'll also need some 1 cup of salt. So I just put it in this glass. As you can see, you gonna need some Ritz dye. It depends on how many jeans you want to dye, but I just got 1 bottle. You'll need 1 bottle for 1 pair of jeans. So yep, and then I'll be using some gloves, and I'll be having these tongs. What is this thing called? Yeah, I think these things called tongs. And yeah, but you use these if you don't have gloves. Use these if you don't got gloves. But yeah, I'm finna put on these gloves right now, and then we'll get started with this video. I know y'all see that smoke. If you want it warm? Okay, so after that, then I'll be just pouring my salt in here. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all gonna need some dishwasher detergent too, but y'all need like 1 teaspoon of it. So, but you need one cup of salt. So I'm gonna just pour this in here like that. And the only reason I got on gloves is because I don't want to stain my nails. And if you don't want your hands stained, then just get you some tongs from the Dollar Tree, y'all. This was only $1 from the Dollar Tree. So I recommend this because I'm not using this for nothing else but this video. So save your coins. And then I'll be putting in my bottle. I just have some Dawn liquid soap, this detergent. You only need 1 or 2 teaspoons, but I'm just putting in this. And then you want to add the bottle of dyes. Add 1 bottle of dye. It depends on how much how much you stirring. I mean how much jeans you're dyeing. But if you only dyeing 1 pair of jeans, then you just add 1. But I got 2 because I'm dyeing more than 1 pair of jeans. But if you only dyeing 1 pair of jeans, you only get, and I think this only costs like $2 to $4. It's very cheap from Walmart. Go to the store and you can get it or I didn't put this in the sink. I was gonna do it in the sink, but this type of sink, it'll probably stay in the sink. So that's why I got a bucket to do it. Or you can do this in your sink if you want to. But if you put it in if you do it in the sink, you should do it like. No, you have to stop it up. And then I'm gonna put these jeans. These are my favorite jeans. Oh, and when y'all drain y'all pants, make sure that y'all put it inside out so it won't fade again. So like when you like drain it, put it in the dryer, make sure it's like inside out. Alright, so I'm finna put in another pair of jeans. Okay, y'all, so I'm finished staring it. I've stared for like 10 to 20 minutes, however much you feel like staring it. But just make sure that all of it's black and all of it's like stained, because you want to stain your pants. And then after that, I'm finna yo, look at these tonsils. But this what you do. If you get the Dollar Tree ones, if you do, like, it's like you can like pull it and then it'll stay like this. And then just like press the jeans down to steer it. That's what I did. So I'm gonna put that in here. And then after, all you have to do is just rinse your jeans and Alright, so I'm gonna just lift this thing up out of this paint. Put it right there. So I know y'all see this. Oh, hold on, move this. I need to know this. Alright. Oh, rinse it off with cold water, guys. Well, not hot water, cold water. That's cold water? Yeah, it's freezing cold. And the process is clean your sink. Clean up as you go. This wood is cold, like ice cold. just finished rinsing the jeans. You want to rinse it with ice cold water. Just rinse with cold water. And then, so these are jeans. I know y'all see the difference. Like, they look different. So now I'm finna just put them in the dryer. And you want to put it on the lowest heat setting. But first, I need to flip the jeans inside out so it won't, like, fade. Oh, man. Oh, Lord. Y'all, these jeans are so cold. And I done wet my shirt. Alright. So I'm just turning the jeans inside out. Let's try to wring it out more. Alright, so now I'm just gonna put it in the dryer on the lowest heat setting. I'll pause the video. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And follow me on all my social medias, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram. And I do follow back, so follow me. Bye.